What's up, guys? Welcome back to Michigan Muscle. I'm Mike Shana. Today I'm headed right now to the M1 Concourse for one of their open lapping sessions. I'm going to go ahead and take the Camaro out there. I'm going to take you guys along with me, and I'm going to show you what a private member session of open lapping looks like, along with how I prepare my car for the track. If you haven't seen my video already, we're going to kind of walk through that like as a daily or my routine before I prep my car, before I go out. You know, like I said, I go a couple times a week, so I'll show you how I prepare my car when I'm going out that frequently, and then we'll go out on the track, rip around a little bit, and have a good time. Let's head over there. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my torque wrench, set it to 140 foot-pounds. There we go. Alright, now that wheel's all set, as you can see, center cap's out, ready for the track. I'm going to do the other side. I'll catch up with you guys after I do that side. Alright, so now that the tires, or I should say the center cap's removed out of the rim, we're going to go ahead and check the tire pressure, see what that's at. If it needs adjusting, we'll adjust it, but if not, we're pretty much ready to get out on the track. So let's go ahead and take a look. So it's actually not bad. I try to typically keep my fronts a little bit lower than the rears because usually the fronts will get a lot hotter than the rears. Like I said, my center cap's melting out of the front. They're not melting out of the rear. So the rears are about at 30, the fronts are at 26, 27. So within a PSI for me is at least okay. I mean, if you're professional and really pushing the car and you track every aspect of it, then yeah, maybe okay, change it. But as far as I'm concerned, that looks good. So let's go ahead, head out to the track, throw a helmet on, and we're pretty much ready to get out there. Let's go do it. All checked in, throw my helmet on, and go rip around on the track. All right, let's get it. How's it going?
Get a wristband?
Yep. so we just got off the track. As you can see, heated up pretty good. There's more than enough air in the tires. Alright, so back out here at the track, I went to go get back on and my battery's dead. These cars have a really common problem for heat soaking the starters, and it drained all of the juice trying to start the car, and now the battery's completely dead, so we're trying to jump it right now. Flip it around, or is it? Sure. Yeah. Let's get another grippers on there. Alright. Do a YouTube channel, so it's good content, yeah. Yeah, we'll just leave it for a minute and...
You know Chris?
So close yet so far. Do you smell that burning? It smells like electrical burning. It stinks. It smells like burning electrical inside the car. It's not good. Alright, car started again. Oh shit, the engine light's on. That's not good. Alright, you know what? Time to end the track day. Alright, so I'm currently leaving M1 right now. My battery's definitely dead. I got the car started, I'm gonna go change it. But funny enough, the car started knocking and ticking, doing all this weird stuff, and I don't know if it could have been a misfire because of the dead battery or what, but something's not right. And like I said, we got the engine light now, so I'm driving to the auto parts store and gonna get the new battery for sure. I'll read the code and hopefully it's nothing too bad, or at least it resets with the new battery. We'll see what happens, but this is weird. I've never had this happen before. I had my cracked lifters, or cracked valve springs I should say. Yeah, I've had the cracked valve springs, but nothing like this. This is weird. And the strange thing is too, it actually went away. The sound went away. Like, it was crackling and making all this noise and knocking, and then the sound just went away. It's not like the car is cold either. You know, I've been tracking it and it's very warm. It's up to temperature. So I'm not sure as to why it would come and go like that. It's really strange. So hopefully it's not anything too serious. I mean, like I said, I'm gonna get the code checked and see. But fingers crossed, right? Alright, so the battery's changed, the car starts, but I think there's some weird electrical things going on because my temperature still reads 100 degrees, which I'm in Rochester, Michigan, and it's almost fall time. It's not 100 degrees out. It's probably 70-ish, I'd say. You know, it's 6 o'clock too. And I should have gotten a video of it, but one weird thing that happened was when I first started the car with the new battery, the whole screen short-circuited, and I had a boost gauge in place of my voltage meter. So I don't know what to put that. I didn't realize the car shared the same ECU, or maybe it's the same BCM, body control module, you know, or maybe it's in the dash, or you know, in the gauge cluster, I'm not sure. But I had a boost gauge for a minute, so that might have explained the check engine light. The car could have been in a limp home mode, and it was, you know, looking for a supercharger that wasn't there. I'm not really sure. So I'm just gonna take the car home. I'm done going on the track for today. I'm gonna try to play with it a little bit back home, put the stock tune back on it, and go from there. So let's head on back. All right, guys, so I'm pretty much back home now. The car has been running fine. I had to make a few errands on the way back and stop, and it started okay. It did start like a new battery should. So I'm still wondering if there's something else going on with the car. It's still just kind of baffles me how it was acting. And I should have got the ticket knock on video. It was the weirdest thing. So hopefully it's nothing too bad. I'll keep you guys updated. But you know, I don't know, hopefully, you know, for the next track to the car, I'll be okay. But as always, you know, thank you for watching. I really appreciate the views, guys. Keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting. Let me know any suggestions that you have. I'll see you guys next time.